हेलो फ्रेंड्स, इस वीडियो के अंदर हम लोग क्लास 10 साइंस केमिस्ट्री के अंदर जो कॉम्पिटेंसी बेस्ड क्वेश्चन आंसर हैं पीडब्ल्यूटी फर्स्ट पीरियडिक रिटन टेस्ट फर्स्ट उसके जो इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन आंसर हैं जो सीबीएसई के लेटेस्ट पैटर्न पर बेस्ड हैं उसके बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे, जिससे कि आपकी पीडब्ल्यूटी की प्रिपरेशन भी हो जाएगी और आपका रिविजन भी हो जाएगा। लेट्स स्टार्ट। नाउ द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज Which of the following is a displacement reaction? Displacement reaction क्या होती है? Displacement reactions generally those reactions which based on the reactivity of elements, means metal or non-metal. And in these displacement reactions, you know very well that a more reactive element displaces the less reactive elements. So, if we discuss the first example, it is a clear-cut decomposition reaction. In the second case, Na plus H2O, it forms NaOH plus H2 case H2 plus O2, that is 2H2O, and the fourth is lead nitrate decomposes into lead oxide plus NO2 plus O2. Dear friends, the best way to express the displacement reaction is that in the displacement reaction the best criteria is the reactants can be a molecule of an element and the another reactant must be the molecule of a compound. If such type of reactions fulfill the conditions, it is the first condition for displacement reaction. In the second case, both the reactions are the molecules of compounds. So if any one situation we observe there, 100% that reaction is displacement. So in the first case, there is only one reactant, but in the displacement reactions, this is necessary to be there two reactants. So this cannot be the correct answer. In the second case, Na molecule of an element, H2O, that is the molecule of a compound, and in the product it also forms molecule of a compound and molecule of an element. So as per our discussion, the correct answer will be here B. Now the second question is, magnesium ribbon is rubbed before burning because it has magnesium ribbon को बर्न करने से पहले क्यों रब किया जाता है? क्योंकि इसके ऊपर कोटिंग होती है। किसकी कोटिंग होती है? फर्स्ट मैग्नीशियम कार्बोनेट, सेकंड बेसिक मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड, थर्ड बेसिक मैग्नीशियम सल्फाइड, एंड द फोर्थ इज बेसिक मैग्नीशियम क्लोराइड. द करेक्ट आंसर इज बेसिक मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड, which prevent it from the burning. So the correct answer will be here B again. Now the third question is, which of the following statement about the given reactions are correct? जो reaction दे रखी है उसके लिए कौन सा statement correct है? The reaction is iron react with water molecule and form the magnetite Fe3O4 and hydrogen gas. First, iron metal is getting oxidized. Iron metal जो है वो oxidize हो रहा है. You can observe that this is iron and it converting into this oxide. You are observing that iron getting oxygen. In the oxidation, the element gets oxygen. So the first statement is correct. So we mentioned there first statement is correct. Second, water is getting reduced. Water जो है वो reduced हो रहा है. This is water converting into H2. Reduced means going for the reduction. Reduction means either the gain of hydrogen or loss of oxygen. So here water losing oxygen here. So that statement is also correct. Third, water is acting as reducing agent. Water जो है reducing agent की तरफ work कर रहा है. We know that reducing agent always provides hydrogen and itself get oxidized, but as per the situation given, we have already mentioned water is getting reduced. It means the third statement cannot be the right answer here. Fourth, water is acting as oxidizing. Oxidizing substances are those substances which provides oxygen. So in this reaction, water is providing oxygen here. So first, second and fourth option is correct in this statement. So the correct answer will be here option number C. Now the fourth question is, Which of the following are exothermic processes? Exothermic means those processes which release energy in any form. First, reaction with water with quicklime. We know that when water react with quicklime, it forms slacked lime along with evolution of heat. So the first option is correct. Second, dilution of an acid. We have studied in this chapter that when we add acid into the water, it becomes dilute, and the dilution of an acid is always an exothermic reaction. Evaporation of water is a physical process. Sublimation of camphor, it is a physical process because there is no new substances formed there. So the correct processes are here, first and second. So the correct answer will be here, A, first and second. Now, 3 beakers labeled as A, B, C, each containing 25 ml of water, a small amount of sodium hydroxide, anhydrous copper sulfate, and NaCl were added to the beaker A, B, and C respectively. It was observed that there was an increase in the temperature of the solution containing beakers A and B. मतलब A और B के अंदर जो solution रखा हुआ है उसका temperature बढ़ जाता है. Whereas in case of beaker C, the temperature of the solution falls. जबकि C की केस में temperature जो है down हो जाता है. Which one of the following statement is correct? In beaker A and B, exothermic process has occurred. In beakers A and B, endothermic process has occurred. It is a wrong type. It is occurred. Third, in beaker C, exothermic process has occurred, and fourth, in beaker C, endothermic process has occurred. So we have observed that in A and B, the temperature is going to be rise, so there will be exothermic process. And in the C, the temperature going to fall down, it means that is decreasing endothermic reaction. So the correct answer here is first and fourth. So option number C. Now, question number 6. What happens when a solution of an acid is mixed with a solution of a base in a test tube? क्या होगा जब हम लोग एक एसिड के सॉल्यूशन को बेस के सॉल्यूशन के अंदर मिक्स करेंगे? Temperature of the solution decreases, temperature of the solution increases, temperature of the solution remains the same, salt formation takes place. So first information, as we know that when an acid react with base, it form salt along with H2O. So which statement will be correct here? So fourth statement is correct here. And when an acid react with a base is always an exothermic reaction, so temperature will be rise. So the first option, temperature of the solution, the temperature of the solution second increases along with the salt formation. So this is the case. And in another way we can understand that because here the formation of water, so the so water becomes hot, so the option number fourth will be correct here. In terms of acidic strength, which one of the following is the correct increasing order? Acidic strength means which is more acidic and less acidic. The more acidic acids are those which are strong. So in these four options, water is neutral, acidic acid is weak acid, and hydrochloric acid is a strong acid. Option number C, water, hydrochloric acid, acetic acid. So this will be wrong here. Acetic acid, water, and hydrochloric acid is also wrong here. Hydrochloric, water, and acetic acid is wrong here. So the correct answer here is A. Question number 8. What is formed when zinc react with sodium hydroxide? First of all, we should know that when zinc react with NaOH, it forms a salt whose formula is Na2ZnO2 along with hydrogen gas. Then what will be formed? Zinc hydroxide and sodium, wrong. Sodium zincate and hydrogen gas, correct. Sodium zinc-oxide and hydrogen gas. Fourth, sodium zincate and water. So the correct answer will be here, B. Question number 9. Tomato is a natural source of which acid? टोमेटो में कौन सा एसिड होता है? We know that that is oxalic acid present in tomato, which formula is COOH COOH. Question number 10. Which of the following statement is correct about an aqueous solution of an acid and of a base? Higher the pH, stronger the acid. Wrong, because when the pH is higher, the H plus ion concentration low. Higher the pH, weaker is the acid. That is correct. Lower the pH, stronger the base. It is also wrong, because in lower pH, H plus ion is more. So that should be base, that should be acid. But here the option has indicating stronger the base. So that is wrong. Lower the pH, weaker the base. That is also correct. So option number 2nd and 4th is correct. So the option will be here D. So in this manner, dear friends, we have discussed some important questions belongs to these 2 chapters of chemistry of class 10th. Revise these questions, and if you like this video, share, comment, subscribe, and keep watching my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.